How to fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp? Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is clear cache for the WhatsApp app. For that, launch settings. Now, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. From this list, find the app WhatsApp. Once you find it, launch it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Click on Reinstall app. With this, your issue might be fixed. Next up, head back. Now, navigate to the option VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. Then you can close this. Now check out the server status of WhatsApp. For that, navigate to this one website. Now over here, you're going to find this graph. Check out if there are any outages. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved. If none of these solutions work, completely delete WhatsApp. For that, press and hold on the WhatsApp. Navigate to the option Remove App. Click on the option Delete App. Click on Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app WhatsApp, and then install it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. The Meta AI in your WhatsApp should work. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.